When baby baboons are born, they're completely black, half-red faces. In the first few months of their life, they can reach the mother's underside, as is the best position for them to nurse.
There's lots of monkeys going on in the van. Ow! There's lots of monkeys going on. There's a monkey following us. It'll go on the van. Look at that monkey. Face in the window.
Baboons are primarily vegetarian, so they will eat a variety of small insects. They have cheap
Look at them.
for large amounts of food. We ask that feeding them is left to our professional staff and caution them to not open their windows. Playful and friendly as they may seem, they can be quite harmful as they have very sharp teeth.
Where's that monkey? There he is. He's right there now. Watch this.